Hello, another one. I've literally just recorded another video, but I'm going to do another one now because fucking why not? By the way, if you've not seen the video yet on this beautiful Knox windproof layer, go and check that shit out because this thing is unreal. This thing is so good, and for anyone that's riding around that kind of weather that suffers with getting cold, this thing is invaluable. It's amazing. I'm just wearing it in the house because it just helps keep me warm. It's not what this video is about. I'm about to go to J&S in Oakmere, just down the road from me. And I'm going to nab a lift down to J&S Oakmere. And I'm going to try on one of the RST Podium suits and the RST Pro suits that they've got the airbag in them. Yeah, so I already have an In&Motion airbag. This is Climb. Probably the best one that I've tried out of all the different brands. I went through a few, early last year. There's lots of videos on my channel of trying them out and a review of that guy as well if you want to check that out. But I also bought a suit, which is the Oxford Stradale suit, which is now not only too big for me, but also I was never able to get that jacket underneath. So I've had to kind of wear it on top, which is not particularly very comfortable. Chest size 40 to 42 now. Belly is pretty much the same. So it's about 40, 42. So we'll see what happens, see how it fits, and we'll crack on. And hopefully this will be another little sort of fitting video for you to enjoy. So yeah, see you in a bit. And if I stare too long, I might not see you right. Over time, the heart goes out of sight. And if I stare too long, I might not see you right. Close the door where the heart is out of sight. Yeah, yeah. Right folks, it's at J&S. I've just been in there for about an hour and a half, trying on various different suits. It turns out the first one to fit me was the best, which is typical. So here we go. I'll give you a little update when I'm back at home. Hello, you alright? Right, so we're back from J&S. I went and tried quite a few on. They were pushing their Frank Thomas stuff, which is their own in-brand stuff. But that was like 600 quid, 500-600 quid, and it fit me fine, but it wasn't particularly very nice. It was quite a lot of room in the collarbone, and then not a lot around the midriff. It was very weird. So when you leant over, there was a big hole there. It was kind of strange, and then the shoulder pads were kind of digging into my collarbone and stuff, and it was just a bit. It wasn't really into it. I tried quite a few. I tried quite a few RSTs. Surprisingly enough, the one that I've got, which you can see from the title, the Podium, is the one that fit me the best out of all of them. I tried up to £1,000. There was an RST, I think it was a V4.1, something like that. Proper race leathers, they felt really nice. They were kangaroo leather, felt fucking amazing. But these Podiums fitted me better. Same size, same everything. So they just cut a little differently. So these Podiums are not particularly very, very racy fit. They're a very natural kind of fit for street riding. So it'd be good for track use, it'd be good for road, and also I just wanted them for, just as I said before, for the airbag. So I've already got the airbag for the In&Motion system, it's the same system. So without further ado, here we go. Nice J&S bag here. Again, nice enough guys. They only had the black version, I'm afraid, but I tried this 42 on. It's a size 42, and this fit me like a glove. This fit me really, really well. So here we go. They've not given me my receipt, the cheeky fuckers. Oh, there they are. I'm not sure how much you can see of this because the camera isn't particularly a very good camera for this kind of stuff. We'll do a close-up in a minute. Wrong hand for this. I've messed my hand up on my shoulder. Very nice quality overall. I mean, I managed to bring them down on the price to the price match sports bike shop at $399. Overall, I'm very happy with it. So let's take a little deeper look into this thing. Hello folks, I've decided, I'm not very well, but I've decided to re-record this footage So just slotting this in here, re-recording it in the light. So here's just a nice look at the suit in itself, because you can't really see much detail in the video that I did. I'm going to try it on again for you in a minute, just to give you an idea. Pretty nice quality. I mean, there are some shabby parts like this here, but yeah. Stitching is folded over. So one of the things that Guy was saying in the shop was that this can catch on the floor, and higher quality ones have like a double stitching where they kind of goes in on itself. There we go. And it's got some nice shoulder. It has got only sea level 1 protection in it, which is kind of underwhelming. The guy did tell me it was sea level 2, which was a lie. Inside you can see the airbag, and you do get the brain as well, which is cool. It means I can use the brain from my Climb airbag inside this. I did record a whole load of spiel about how to do it, but you're not watching that video for this, I'm sure. So, but basically all you do is just like a zip in the midriff, and under here, not sure if you can see this, but it's got the same brain and back piece as that, and all you do is you just put the brain in there, and it works exactly the same. You don't have to get another subscription. You can carry your 2 brains, sorry, 1 brain for. Sorry, my head isn't working. So you don't have to swap. You don't have to have 2 subscriptions. I can use that brain in this if I want to, which is cool. It means you don't have to get 2 separate subscriptions. However, when you do get a new suit with RST, you get 1 year's free of either track or road use. So what I'm going to use that other brain for is for track use, which is cool, which means I don't have to pay for track for a year. There you go. Not as pinchy in the bollock area either, actually. I'm not sure how good the quality is going to be on this, or how much you can see in terms of detail. It's not very light today. One weird part about this suit is the knees. I'm not sure if you can see that, but my knees don't point this way. There's a bit of like a knobbly knee effect going on here, but remember, a suit ain't meant to look good, man. It's meant to do a job, meant to protect you. And also you'll see the accordion strips here. They are basically just to help the airbag inflate. I mean, this fits me pretty much perfectly. I really do like the fit of this, just in general. The cuffs, there's not too much of a gap in the arms, which again is good. They could do with being tucked back a little bit. I mean, the arm length could do with being a little bit better, but again, you're going to be like that. It's meant to be a race suit, isn't it? It's meant to give you a little bit more room. But the fit in general for me, 40 to 42 inch chest, very, very good. Very, very good indeed. So if you've got one of these suits and the stretch panelling's like stretched out, put it back and get a bigger one, because it defeats the object. You don't want to break your ribs. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I've had a fresh shave today. Do you like it? Fucking hell. Great. Yeah, considering I've re-recorded all this, I may as well do another outro. But I hope you've enjoyed this. Short and sweet-ish. I like these kind of style of vlogs, going out and getting something and then coming back. Trying it on, let you guys know how it fits. This fits me amazingly. Really like it. I've not ridden it yet just because the weather's been crap, but today is looking beautiful. So I've got the day off work. I'm going to take the girl out for a ride with this new suit on. Gonna go to Stafford Triumph, get some stuff. It's my dad's birthday today, so yeah. Where's the microphone? I keep putting my hand on it. Anyway, I'll catch you again. Thank you so much for watching as usual. Hope you enjoyed the suit. More vids to come in this, obviously. I'll do some videos of the painting that I'm gonna do on it, what I've got planned anyway. So thank you very much again. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure. Until the next time. Sod 'em out. God, that was gay. Sod 'em out. Bye bye.